Good evening. Welcome to Prashanta Behera spoken English classes. Let's discuss a poem today. First of all, we have to know what is poetry. What is the role of poetry in our society? Poetry plays an important role in literature. Poetry is natural. It changes the minds of the readers. It also changes the characters of human. I now shall discuss a poem. The name of the poem is A Psalm of Life. A Psalm of Life. What is psalm? Psalm means song or a sacred song. Psalm means sangita. A psalm of life means jivana sangita. This poem, A Psalm of Life, is written by H.W. Longfellow, Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. The poet Longfellow was born in the year 1807 and died in the year 1882. कवि 1807 मसीह जन्मग्रहण करथिले और 1882 मसीह मृत्युवरण करथिले. The poet is an American poet. In 1884, he is the first citizen of the United States to be honored in Poets' Corner of Westminster Abbey in London. से 1984 मसीह पोएट्स कॉर्नर वेस्टमिनिस्टर सम्मानित होइथिले. Here in this poem, A Psalm of Life, the poet wanted to say us that life is beautiful, life is pleasant, life is meaningful, life is gorgeous. We have to enjoy it. Clear now? According to the poet, in the Psalm of Life, in the Psalm of Life, the poet says to us that in life, what is life? What is life? A Psalm of Life is the most inspirational poem in literature. Psalm of Life ହେଉଛି ଏକ ପ୍ରେରଣା କବିତା. ଏହି କବିତାକୁ ପଢ଼ିଲେ ପାଠକଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରେରଣା ଦିଏ. I have already told you, poetry changes the mind of the readers. I have already told you, poetry changes the mind of the readers. It changes also characters of the reader, human. It is this poem, A Psalm of Life, is the most inspirational poem in literature. यह एक inspirational poem. The speaker believes that life is solemn virtue and that the only way to live It is by making it worthwhile, by becoming a good influence for the future generations. And suggest that one must progress further than before and to create their own footprints. This poem comes from a Latin poem by Horace. The speaker believes that life is solemn virtue. Here, solemn, S-O-L-E-M-N, solemn means noble. Poem, this poem describes about the human life. Life is a solemn virtue, and that the only way to live by making it worthwhile by becoming good influence for the future generations. एठारे कवि कहउछंती जे आमे आमर पर्सनालिटी को एपरी भावे गढ़िबा जहाँ कि फ्यूचर जेनेरेशन्स आमको अनुसरण करी जिबे एवं एहा मध्य एक प्रेरणा दायी हेबो। आमे आमर जीवन को एपरी गढ़िबा एहा प्रेरणा जोगाई थिबो। We follow the footprints of the great man. आमे महत् कार्य करिथिबा महापुरुषंकर पाद चिन्ह को अनुसरण करी जीवा। जड़े मनीष जीवन रे बा लाइफ रे सक्सेस हवा पई बड़ महापुरुष मानकर ग्रेट मैन आमे जाऊ कहूचे तांकू फॉलो करिबा अनुसरण करिगिरी आमे जाउछु। And the point also suggests that one must progress further than before. Here, three things is important. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. Three things are important. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. We should, the point suggests that we should progress further than before. आमे वर्तमान today, the situation, what the situation of today, we should progress something tomorrow. Yesterday, that is past. Three things are linked to each other. Three things are linked to each other. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So, this poem suggests that we should work better than before. आमे गतकाली जेते काम करथिला जहाँ भी करता तार थारु किपरि आहुरी अधिक भल हेबो सेथि पई आमे चेष्टा करी जीवा उचित। दिस पोएम कम्स फ्रॉम ए लैटिन पोएम बाय होरेस। एही कविताटी लैटिन पोएम रु आइछि। नाउ आई एम saying the first stanza of the poem. If you look the first stanza of the poem, first line signs the negative, but the poet wanted to say in positive outlook. The poet says the positive outlook of the life, but first line of the poem looks negative. Tell me not in mournful numbers. Tell me not in mournful numbers. Mournful, mournful, mournful. Mournful means sorrowful. SORROWFUL. RROWFUL ଦୁଃଖପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ। ଟେଲ୍ ମି ନଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ମୋର୍ନଫୁଲ୍ ନମ୍ବର୍ସ। ଏଠାରେ କବି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଟେଲ୍ ମି ନଟ୍, ମୋତେ କୁହ ନାହିଁ। କ'ଣ କୁହ ନାହିଁ? ଦୁଃଖର ଜୀବନ ବା ଦୁଃଖର କାହାଣୀ ମୋତେ କୁହ ନାହିଁ। ଅଲୱେଜ୍ ଦ ପୋଏଟ୍ ୱାଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଟୁ ସେ ୟୁ ପିପୁଲ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଲାଇଫ୍ ଇଜ୍ ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲ୍, we have to enjoy it. Life is meaningful, we have to enjoy it. Life is gorgeous, life is pleasant, we have to enjoy it. ସେଥିପାଇଁ କବି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଜୀବନକୁ ସରସ ସୁନ୍ଦର କରି ଗଢ଼। And he also said that life is but an empty dream. ଜୀବନଟା ଏକ ଫାଙ୍କା ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ନୁହଁ। Life is not an empty dream. ଆମେ ଜୀବନ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଙ୍କା ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ କରିବା ନାହିଁ। Life is meaningful, life is gorgeous, life is pleasant, we have to enjoy it. Tell me not in mournful numbers, life is but an empty dream, for the soul is dead that slumbers, and things are not what they seem. For the soul is dead, soul, ଏଠାରେ କହୁଛି soul, soul means ହେଉଛି ଆତ୍ମା। ଆତ୍ମା କ'ଣ? ମୃତ। କାହାର ଆତ୍ମା ମୃତ? For the soul is dead that slumbers, 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 slumbers means deep sleep, deep sleep, DEEP, deep sleep, SLEEP, deep sleep, slumbers। जो माने लेजी आइडिल, जो माने अलसुआ, जो माने गभीर निद्रारे शोई पड़ुछंती, तांकर आत्मा होची मृत। भगवान सृष्टि करछंती आमे कठिन परिश्रम करिवा, आमे एपरि किछि काम करिवा जहा कि भविष्यत वंशधर पाई किछि नूतनत्व आसीबो। सेमाने सही ग्रेट मैन बा महापुरुषंकर जीवनी को देखी अनुसरण करी सेमाने आगो को जीवे। बट जो माने लेजी आइडिल अलसुआ, तांकर आत्मा मृत बोली कवि एठारे कहउछंती। व्हाट इज लाइफ? लाइफ इज मीनिंगफुल। व्हाट इज लाइफ? लाइफ इज गॉर्जियस। व्हाट इज लाइफ? लाइफ इज प्लीजेंट। व्हाट इज लाइफ? लाइफ इज ब्यूटीफुल। इफ यू स्लम्बर्स, डीप स्लीप, आमे जदि गभीर निद्रारे सोई पड़िवा, देन सोल इज डेड, आमर आत्मा मृत हो जीवो। जड़े मनीष मरीगला परे शरीर सिना मरे, आत्मा मरे नहीं। बट द पॉइंट सेज अस द सोल इज डेड दैट स्लम्बर्स। आमे जदि गभीर निद्रारे सोई पड़िवा ताले आत्मा मृत हो जीवो। दैट रिफर्स टू द लेजी पर्सन। एठारे कवि अलसुआ लोक माननकु कहउछंती। In the first stanza of last line, that and things are not what they seem. Things are not what they seem. आमे things are not, आमे जिनिस गुड़ाक नुह जहाँ को जेमिति देखुचे ताहा नुह। तार अर्थ होची जे जी लाइफ टाकू जेमिति देखिबाकू चाहे देखि पारिबो नाही, कारण सेमाने जदि गभीर निद्रारे सोई पड़िबे। इफ देयर सोल इज डेड, जदि सेमाने गभीर निद्रारे सोई पड़िबे तांकर आत्मा मृत हो जीवो। आउ सेमाने लाइफ टाकू जेमिति देखिबाकू चाहिबे सेमिति देखि पारिबे नाही। Also one thing here the poet wanted to say. Here also in Bhagavad Gita says, in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says to Arjuna, we should work hard and leaving the results to God. आमे कठिन परिश्रम करिबा एवं फल पाइबा पाई आसान करी भगवान पाखरे छाड़ी दबा। ठीक से ही परी द पॉइंट ऑल्सो से दैट वी शुड वर्क हार्डर एंड हार्डर आमे कठिन रु कठिन परिश्रम करिबा एंड वी शुड नॉट expect the results. We should leave the results to God. Today I have already discussed in the first stanza and about the poet, and next class we shall discuss other stanza. Thank you.